welcome to my updated apartment tour. You know, I did one of these, I had it like professionally shot, but since then I've moved everything and I've really moved in. I've gotten so many new pieces of furniture and it really looks like a home. You know, I moved the studio upstairs, it used to be here in the living room, and I really settled in. So I wanted to do an updated apartment tour also because unfortunately, but fortunately, because we love new beginnings and new adventures, my landlord is selling and I have to move. So I'm in the process of looking for new places. I'm actually going to be heading back to the States. You know, I'm in London. I'm going to be heading back to the States to see my parents, to see my family, to see my friends. I haven't been back to the States in a year and a half because of everything. So it's a much needed trip. I really need to see the people that I love. And I've mainly been in this apartment for that time, but I want to show you now that I'm finished and I have it really clean because people are coming to view it since it is for sale. So I thought that I would take it to my advantage, and also if you like this kind of content, you know that I'm going to be finding a dope ass place and be moving in and doing a tour. I'll do like an empty apartment tour. I haven't found the place yet, but I know I'll do this. So if you do like that content, like and subscribe, because you tell YouTube that you support small creators like me, small but growing, and that you care about people who care about the content and energy that they put out in this world. So come and join me in my design-led life. Everything I do is with intention, meaning everything that you see is really has an energetic reasoning to be in my life. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it tingles you with inspiration to create your own life however you want to create your own life. So we're gonna make some more coffee. So this feather actually fell onto my notebook when I was writing the other day, which probably means I was about to be shat on by a bird, but life is perspective, right? And I thought, I'll take this as good luck, because feathers have always signified good luck for me. But yeah, I was probably about to be shat on. So the backstory of me moving into this apartment is that I was living in Berlin, Germany for a couple years. And, you know, I'm a musician, performing musician. Well, I used to be a performing musician. Now I do splits in my living room. But I was in town for a couple shows and a radio interview. And I had one free day because I had a friend from the States, hi Molly, coming to visit me and be here for the show, be here for the week, explore London. And so I had that one day to just do whatever I wanted. And I saw this place online, and I love real estate and it's just something that I enjoy. So I was like, I'm gonna go see this place. And then I found myself saying yes, even though I had no plans or intention on moving at that time. You know, I had been through a lot in Berlin. I went through a breakup that really changed my life, and I was single at that point for about 9 months, and I was really trying to give Berlin the opportunity to be my home without being in that partnership. But it just never fully fit. I just couldn't sink in there. There was a little bit of a lack of warmth, in my opinion. And ooh, that coffee's ready. So I came and I saw this apartment and I just fell in love, and I found myself just saying yes. I was like, yes, do you love the stain on the wall, by the way? Yeah. So I just started saying yes, and all of a sudden I was transferring money to different bank accounts, and I was just like so gun-ho on moving to London. I had no visa. I had just gotten my 2-year artist visa renewed in Berlin, and I thought that that was gonna be my life, but this apartment just made me change, and maybe you can see why. I mean, it's so beautiful. It has you know, the extended ceilings. It has a lot of flow. There's window on all directions, so from the east and west, so you get sunrise and sunset. We have sunrise right now. This is early morning. And I just wanted the change. You know, I felt it in my soul. And I probably was really annoying. Well, I know I was to Molly. She can deal with it because she's known me literally her whole life, because her brother was my best friend. She had to deal with me being like so freaked out about this apartment and being like, is this gonna work? Because there were a lot of little complications with transferring all the money to different accounts in different currencies at basically the holidays. So, but we got it, and it was super cool, and I just really love this space. So now that we have the coffee, let's continue the tour. I'll show you my bedroom, baby. She's cute. I have some crystals at my bedside table, all my books, artwork. Yeah, it's really nice to wake up in here. And you know, I've tried different things. I've tried having my bedroom upstairs, which is kind of where the studio is now. But this room really feels right to me. I feel like I really like the sun streaming in the morning. I'm a pretty early riser. I don't really love to sleep in too much. So, you know, I used to live in Bali, and I used to wake up with the sunrise, which was like really early at the time that I was living there because it was spring, summer mainly. So I would wake up at like, I don't know, 5:15 or something with the roosters crowing. And that was really nice. And I found so much joy in that. I found so much sacred meaning because, you know, I'm also a Kundalini trained yoga teacher. Even though I don't practice or really follow the tradition, I do believe that waking up early, they call it 5 to 7 a.m., it's like sadhana hours, or a time of the Amrit Vela, is a time when the most people around you are asleep, so you can access deeper levels of consciousness, and it kind of sets the day, it sets the mood for the day. So, I bet you didn't, oh my god, I just spilled, look at this. I spill everywhere I go. Moving on. I'll clean it up later. So yeah, this is the entrance. You walk in here, and then you see this. And there was this really shite wallpaper here. Like, it has like glitter on it, literally. And I had to cover it up with this cool, like, fake bamboo. My coat rack here, shoes underneath, and then you come in and you see the openness of this place, the light streaming. I have a little workout bike there, but otherwise it's pretty streamlined. But see, this is one of the coolest things about the apartment are these stairs. If you don't have the 2 floors, you know, it's a totally different vibe in here, and especially with this glass. The sunset comes through here, and it's so nice. So the sun's basically streaming the other side. Like right now we have it coming through that way, but in the evening we have it coming through here. We love having that glass there, and look at that. It's so stunning. And then look at this plant. How cool is he, she, it, you know? We're very open gender-wise around here. But look at that. Look at that. It's literally like 20 feet tall. I try not to pick and choose favorites since I have 29 plants, but... So that extends to the upstairs little studio, cozy area, storage area, everything area. You come up here. I love this glass window that they have in because it lets so much more natural light and flow when you're down there in that area. Like if you're playing piano and you look up, it's really a nice vibe. I also used that couch there, so that was nice too. But yeah, this room is super cool too. It has become kind of my makeshift music studio. I mean, it's obviously not like a proper studio. It's more to bang around ideas. The sound isn't great in here, and I'm recording vocals a lot, poetic dance music. And so that's been like the one issue because you always have this sound going out here. Not always, but like 3 out of 5 minutes. So like 60% of the time you have this little fan that just rings with noise. You can kind of hear it. I don't really know why I'm making you search for like a fan noise, but that's what you signed up for when you clicked that thumbnail. So yeah, the next place I want, I actually, I pay a good amount of rent and I want everything. Like I want proper storage. I want a studio, like a proper space for a studio. I really don't want to settle on anything. I didn't feel like I settled on anything when I moved here. Like that was not the vibe. I was really happy to move here and I've been feeling really fortunate to be able to live here. Like that's only what I feel. But knowing now that I've been here a year and a half and kind of seeing how it works and where I'm spending most of my time, which is editing videos and making music and needing to record vocals and send it off to either a producer or for my own tracks. I also produce. So knowing all that, I'm like, I can have everything. Like I can have everything in one place. So I'm trying to really be pragmatic and have everything. So my next place, I really want like a dedicated studio that has really good noise so I can record and make noise. And I can't really make a lot of noise in this building because it is a warehouse, so it has sounds are reflected from neighbor to neighbor, and I just want to be respectful more than anything. So yeah, this is my messy studio right now. And I guess in my next place that you will see, if you like and subscribe, you will see a much more connected and ready to go and professional home music studio. I'm gonna get some lights, I'm gonna make it a vibe. I wanna be recording a lot for TikTok. I'm getting really into TikTok. It's an amazing platform. And I'm not just sharing music stuff on TikTok, more personal, fashion, all that sexiness, but also my spiritual messages, what I've been through, because I've lived a life on the road for 10 years and I've learned a lot. I've had to heal a lot. And, this kind of nomadic lifestyle of an artist has taught me a lot with dealing with lots of different types of people and how they deal with you, because the beautiful thing about life is that we all look at the world different, we all think differently, we all believe in different things, and that's awesome. But sometimes it doesn't come with respect from other people. I try to live my life with an open mind, open heart, but it's sad when you can't get that respect from others, but it teaches you good lessons. So I'm sharing all that on TikTok. And in my next place, I will have a studio set up so that I can have the perfect recording atmosphere, because that's what my vibe is. And I'm kind of like just showing you my apartment. I hope that you know what I'm doing. I mean, I'm talking about real stuff, but I'm also just showing you all this coolness. I really love this space. I mean, even the textures in the brick, the different colors, and then to put that with all my furniture and everything I have, I feel like it really fits the vibe really well. Oh, look at this sexy little angle. I could like screenshot this and look into it. Wait, not if my fingers showing. Make this into a sexy little Instagram. Follow me on Insta. I love though the morning light, how it reflects and is bringing all those little light fragments because it's actually from my disco ball, my black disco ball, which is one of my favorite features that I have in this apartment. So yeah, in the morning light, it catches and it shoots all these little fragments of light all around, which I think is so precious. And ooh, look at that fragment of light. Yeah, and I really I just love that. So I actually wanted to shoot this video this morning because of that. So I'm gonna be linking all the furniture. This couch is from Made. This is from a company, I think, Atkin Time, which those chairs are from also. This is just an IKEA couch. And then I'm gonna be linking all these artists if you would like to know any of them. Yeah, I think that that's important. Link that down below, so get a little shout out. So one other thing I want to show you is my bathroom. It's not really like the most photogenic bathroom. I've actually never shot in here because I like it, but it's not like my full vibe, you know? You have this blue Moroccan tile. It was put in like 20 years ago. It's pretty cool. You have this mirror. Mwah. I'm not a fan of that mirror, to tell you the truth, but it does fit like the blue aspect. Blue is my favorite color growing up, but in the recent years, I've just kind of like steered clear of it, although I did just buy some blue shoes and this blue top. That's this outfit. But yeah, I've been staying clear from blue, but this is my bathroom, and then I want to show you all my beauty stuff because I'm obsessed with beauty, skincare, and honestly, I just used this last night. It's a renewing cream for your body to exfoliate. It's incredible. This is one of my favorite, the Rose Nurturing Oil by Dr. Hashka. I've been using Kiehl's since a teenager, and they're one of my favorite brands. I love this Pie cleansing oil for when you're feeling dry. I'll go into depth in my skincare routine, anti-aging routine, in another video, but I wanted to give you a little sneak peek of that. So if you want to see that, just subscribe, and you support small creators like me who are putting their heart and soul into everything they do and have been doing this for a while. So yeah, this is my apartment, and I just wanted to come up here, say hello, give you a little update. And it's gonna be super sad to leave this place, to tell you the truth, but new adventures await, new beginnings, and you know, I have good home luck, and I can't wait to find like a dream apartment. I'm actually gonna look at a place today. So that's my updated apartment. Much love and so many thanks and appreciation for your time and energy. Have a great one.